Hey, welcome to that Kilted guy behind the kilt, my little personal channel. Check out this fun little video. And wait till you see the next one. We call it Lake Grand Junction. Hey, thanks for stopping by and checking out this little fun video. I'm going to be putting out a lot more videos of our personal lifestyle, including living full-time in an RV for like the next year maybe. So if you want to follow that and other fun stuff, be sure and subscribe, and I'll see you then.